Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Sound ID app and connecting the headphones. Do it now. Grant mic permissions so the app can measure your listening environment. Without that, calibration fails. Choose a target profile, flat for accuracy, vocal for clarity, or a genre preset if you prefer color. Once done, follow the on-screen prompts that play test tones. These capture how your ears perceive sound. This step defines the correction curve, so be precise and avoid background noise while the measurements run. You now perform the calibration sequence step by step. Wear headphones exactly as you normally would because fit changes frequency response. This matters. Listen to the test tones and answer any questions the app asks. It may request comparisons or volume checks. Make small head position corrections when prompted, then let the app average multiple takes. After the sweep completes, inspect the generated EQ curve and save it as your baseline profile because you can refine or revert to it later. You finish by enabling Sound ID correction in your system or DAW and routing audio through the Sound ID output. Test using familiar reference tracks. Compare corrected versus uncorrected sound and tweak the correction strength if needed. If the result feels off, redo calibration in a quiet room. Background noise and inconsistent headphone fit cause errors. As a final tip, reset the profile and repeat measurements rather than over-adjusting manual EQ. This ensures the correction matches how.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.